every 5 minutes. At the moment it's clear skies, but later the windy and light rain weather is expected in Sharjah. Local time 9 to 7 a.m. at once. We also crew we share a pleasant day in Sharjah for this journey. Thank you for choosing.